Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can already tell, grinding gears here. Alright guys, I'm going to start this video off by saying thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. We have hit 250 subscribers, which is amazing. And I've picked a really bad area to drive through because there's a school through here which I forgot about. But we're just going to go down some B roads. But yeah, anyway, I thank everyone for subscribing. It means a lot. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I keep almost saying follow because I'm used to Twitch. But yeah, anyway, as you can already tell by the title of this video, it's just going to be a short little video explaining future plans for the channel, future plans for this car, future project plans that I want to start. This is a really busy area. But I'm going to start with the Fiesta. This guy, don't know what he's doing. Yeah, anyway, basically, for the near future plans for this Fiesta is I want to get stage 2 remap, which puts the car to about, from the remap that I'm getting, about close to 300 maybe. 280 he said, 280 maybe closer to 300. With the supporting mods that I have, which I've already got the induction kit. Why is I don't get why this guy's stopping cars in the middle of the road. But yeah, with the supporting mods I've got a decat ready to fit, so expect a video on that. I've got an intercooler, a stage 4 intercooler that is ready for 400 brake horsepower. And really, for stage 2, that's all I need. It's all I've been told that I need anyway. So yeah, expect that. And I also obviously want to add more to the channel. It's not all going to be about the Fiesta. I want to get a project car, like a really cheap project car. I don't know if you just saw her wave in the back, that was funny. I want to get a really cheap project car. I'll stick some pictures up on the screens right now. Of the sort of project cars I want. Older cars, not new cars. I'm not looking to spend loads of money. When I have the money, that is, anyway. But yeah, I guess future for the channel. Obviously, I spoke about the Fiesta. I spoke about maybe a future project. Oh, I hate this road. But yeah, future for the channel. I would like. Where am I? That was horrible. That was a really, really big pothole. But yeah, future plans for the channel is like, I obviously want it to be orientated around cars because that's what I like doing. That's what I like doing in my spare time other than playing games. But I don't want to bring games to the channel because I have a Twitch channel for that. You guys should know that. But yeah, like, I want to do anything. Like, I want to work on mates' cars, maybe do car reviews if people would let me review their cars. And then obviously progression on my cars, obviously project car, Fiesta, and things like that. So I'm hoping that we can get started on a few of these things soon, because like I said, I've got the decat for this car, I've got the intercooler for this car, which reminds me, for the intercooler all I need is 2 90-degree elbows, silicone maybe, well yeah, I need 2 90-degree silicone elbows to come off the intercooler and back towards the car, because the stock intercooler is like, you got the intercooler and then the intake and outtake come off at a 90-degree angle back towards the engine, whereas the intercooler I've got just comes straight down, so I need a 90 degree to come back towards the engine, and then I've got to get just a straight bit of metal pipe that will connect the straight from the 90 to the engine again, and then we can get to that. I've also got a plan that I'm going to try and do myself. It's a wrap for the car, but it it's not a full wrap, because that would just be impossible for me by myself to do. What is this guy doing? Move. Think you own the fucking road, do you? Think you own the road? But yeah, it's a plan that I've got. I've got visions in my head that I want to do. I also want to get side skirts and splitter for the Fiesta, wheels as well, but that's all to come within time. Obviously I've got to save the money up. I want to save for a holiday as well next year, so it's a lot of saving to do. That tree has been ripped out the ground somehow. But yeah, anyway, I'll leave this video here, guys. I hope it does like help you more towards like what to expect from the channel, I guess, and future of this channel, I guess. I don't know. There's loads more that I want to do. It all depends. See, what these people think they own the road? Really? Like he's walking down the middle of the road with a dog. But he's now just gone back and walked straight back in the middle of the road. He needs to be walking at the edge. But anyway, before I start raging even more, I'm a bit of a road rage driver. But anyway, I'm going to end it here. I appreciate everyone for watching. I hope this hasn't been too long. I've tried to make it so I don't, so I don't cut the video up as much. I just want it to be straightforward video, basically. But yeah, I appreciate everyone being here. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I appreciate everyone subscribing. We've hit 250 way too quick, but hopefully we'll hit 1,000 sooner. But anyway, I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.